Hey friends, if you wish to delete or permanently close your Microsoft account, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, go to account.microsoft.com. On the list on the left hand side, select your info. Wait for it to load. And then scroll down and there's an option to click on close account. Now select close account. I won't close my account, but I'll show you till the last step possible. So click on next. And then you have to check all of these boxes. Okay. And then you have to select a reason. And then you have to click on mark account for closure. I will not click on this because I will lose my data. I don't want to do that, but you have to click on this option and then follow the last step to close your account. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.